Hello everyone, I'm Isan. In this video, I will share about how to install MIUI 12 Super Wallpaper. This tips is not only for Xiaomi smartphones, but for any Android smartphones. For those of you who still don't know about what is Super Wallpaper, Super Wallpaper is one of the features of the latest MIUI 12. This feature has just been launched for the latest Xiaomi smartphones. The Super Wallpaper will activate a unique wallpaper on your lock screen and home screen. There are some animations that look like a zoom-in effect on Google Maps. The good news is now you guys can immediately enjoy the feature without having to have a Xiaomi smartphone that has been updated to MIUI 12. Now let's just begin the tutorial on how to activate the Super Wallpaper feature on any Android smartphones. Here I will try to activate this feature on Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. And of course, this feature can also be activated on other Android smartphones that support live wallpaper. Usually, it is already supported on Android 8.1 version and also newer version. Okay, now let's just take a look on how to activate MIUI 12 Super Wallpaper. First, you need to download the Super Wallpaper file so that it can be used at other smartphone devices. You can find the link on the description of this video. Maybe later we will also share the link on the Telegram channel. So for those of you who have not joined already, you can join our Telegram channel from this link. You can also find the link on the description of this video. Well, now after the wallpaper file is downloaded, you only need to look for the downloaded file using File Explorer or My Files application. And this is the contents of the downloaded files. There are 4 different wallpapers on this file. Next, you need to extract the zip files that contain these Super Wallpaper files. Here you only need to press the extract button right below. Okay, now the extraction process has completed. Now all you have to do is just go back and search for the extracted folder earlier. Here there are 4 Super Wallpaper files inside this folder. This is MIUI 12 Super Wallpapers. Next, let's install all of these Super Wallpapers one by one. Okay, now all of the wallpaper files has already installed. Now let's just set the live wallpaper on the smartphone with Super Wallpaper. For the Samsung S10 Plus smartphone, you can apply the wallpaper by pressing and hold on home screen. And then choose wallpaper at the bottom left. Here, choose My Wallpapers. Then in the option button at the top right corner, select Live Wallpapers. Here you'll find 4 super live wallpapers that we have just installed earlier. Now just choose one of the super wallpaper that you want. Here let's just try to activate the Forest Super Wallpaper. Here we will set the wallpaper and select home screen and lock screen. Then MIUI 12 Super Live Wallpaper has already been activated on your smartphone. Now you can unlock your Android smartphone with Super Wallpaper on any Android devices. The Super Live Wallpaper for Forest theme will look like this. For the Glacier Wallpaper, the animation will look like this. For Earth Wallpaper, the animation will be like this. This is the animation for Earth Wallpaper. The last one, let's try Mars Super Wallpaper. The animation will look like this. That is how to activate the Super Wallpaper like on the latest MIUI 12 on any Android devices that support live wallpaper. For some other types of smartphones that can't set wallpaper directly from the default launcher, you can download the Wallpapers application on Play Store. By using this Wallpapers application from Google, then you can choose Live Wallpaper from the application. If you have any comments or questions about how to activate this Live Wallpaper, you can leave your comments on the comment section down below. You can also check out our Instagram @Sansertainment to get the latest info and update about smartphones and other new technology. Don't forget to click the like button if you like this video and also subscribe for those who haven't subscribed already. And also activate the bell notification icon so you will be notified when there is a new video from this channel. See you in the next video.